Hey guys, Gia here with another trick. Today we will be looking at multiplying and dividing fractions. We will first look at how to multiply fractions because that's the easiest of the operations. Let's multiply 2 over 9 times 4 over 7. All you need to do is multiply the numerator and write the answer. Then you multiply the denominator and write the answer. 4 times 2 is 8, and 9 times 7 is 63. And it's that simple. Let's do a couple more. 3 over 8 times 9 over 11. 3 times 9 is 27, and 8 times 11 is 88. 14 over 32 times 11 over 99. This is an interesting one. This multiplication will let you use two shortcuts that I've previously shared with you all. Multiplying by 11 and multiplying by 99. Now you get to use them to solve actual problems. If you would like to check out how to do that, I will link the videos in the description below. 14 times 11 is 154. And 32 times 99 is 3,168. Wasn't that lightning fast? It's in these situations knowing the shortcuts really comes in handy. If you've watched my divisibility rule video, you can easily identify if the answer can be simplified. And yes, these can be simplified. I know 154 and 3,168 can be divided by 11. 154 divided by 11 is 1, 4. 3,168 divided by 11 is 2, 8, 8. As they are both even numbers, we can further simplify them. 14 divided by 2 is 7. There is a trick to dividing large numbers by 2, and I will put the link in the description below. 288 divided by 2. 14, 4. 7 over 144 is your answer. Next, we will look at dividing fractions. We use the KCF method. KCF stands for keep, change, flip. So, what we do is keep the first fraction as is. Next, we change the division sign to a multiplication sign. Then, we flip the second fraction, so the numerator will now become the denominator and vice versa. Finally, since we've converted the fraction into a multiplication, we just multiply and get our answer. 2 times 7 is 14, and 9 times 4 is 36. We can simplify it to 7 over 18. This is pretty straightforward. However, there is a quicker way. We do what we call cross multiplication. Instead of following the keep, change, flip method where you keep the first fraction, change the division sign to a multiplication sign, and flip the second fraction around, we simply cross multiply like this. 7 times 2 is 14, and 9 times 4 is 36. And you have your answer. It's that simple. Let's do a couple more. 5 over 22 divided by 7 over 16. First, we multiply 16 by 5. You should already know the trick of multiplying by 5. Just divide by 2 and multiply by 10. If you've not already, please watch my video on multiplying and dividing by 5. I will link that in the description below as well. 16 divided by 2 is 8, and multiplying by 10 is just as easy as adding a 0, and you get 80 as a numerator. 22 multiplied by 7 is also extremely easy, and I have a video on how to multiply by 22 in seconds. The links to all these shortcuts will be in the description. Do check them out. 22 multiplied by 7 is 154. You can simplify this by dividing by 2. 80 divided by 2 is 40, and 154 divided by 2 is 77. Quick and simple. Last one. 7 over 11 divided by 6 over 9. The answer is 9 times 7 is 63, and 11 times 6 is 66. If you know the divisibility rule for 3, you know this can be simplified by dividing by 3. 63 divided by 3 is 21, and 66 divided by 3 is 22. So, multiplying or dividing fractions are extremely easy. Plus, if you know all the other shortcuts I have shared on my channel, you can carry out the calculations in seconds. That's it from me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to smash that notification bell so that you get notified every time I post a brand new video. Until next time, bye!